So today we're going to look at checkerboards. Now checkerboards are made up of squares and you can see that these squares are along the bottom half of the block that we've got in front of us here. So I can use my half sizes on my ruler here and I can chop up my pieces accordingly. And I work my way along my checkerboard, cutting up my squares as I go. So once you've machined, you'll end up with your little checkerboards. Now I would suggest that you sew these together in pairs rather than sewing one after the other. And the reason being is that you can then make sure that they don't start warping.